music playtime with Bluetooth on and adaptive noise cancelling on is up to 50 hours. Ah, grabe, kaya naman palang mahal. Ganda.
Ang pangarap ko para sa lahat, sana all.
As in, hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. This is AGV. And for today's video, we're going to do unboxing. And yes, before, I have this. And it's over like 2 years already. And looks what happened. I don't know what Stephanie did because I gave it to Stephanie. Because I know she needs it more than me. I'm only staying home and she needs it in school. And you know, to be cool. And I gave it to her. But then I don't know what happened. Let's see. And after I gave it to Stephanie, I bought my another earphone. I think I don't remember that I do unboxing of this. And this is Nanobuds Lite, and it's quite pricey. And then again, you know, it's very popular in school and it's quite expensive. I use it, but I find out that when I do live, I still use something with cord. So I use just my normal earphone, and I gave it to Stephanie. This Nanolite buds, and last night something, you know, happened. I don't know. I was so stressed about this flaky black color. And finally, guys, I have a surprise because I was surprised also. But before I'm going to tell you what we're going to do unboxing today, please, to those who haven't subscribed, subscribe now and click the notification bell so that you will be updated to all the videos that I'm going to share. And without further ado, this is it. There you go. The new JBL Live 670 NC. And this is a gift from Anwar, and he don't like telling how much it costs. And for you guys, I check it online and there it is. That's how much it cost if you buy it. So now, let's open. It's still sealed. There you go. I could have used my hand, but I don't want to destroy my, of course, my nail. So let's just open it with this. Wow. And inside the box is with a pouch. It comes with a pouch. Of course, with JBL. Let's put it aside. Of course, this is the manual. Oh, another. And of course, this one. Cannot eat. So don't eat this, guys. And for this, inside this little envelope is a C port and A port cord. I think this is for charging. And this one is the cord. But all I know this is wireless. Yes, this is a wireless true adaptive noise cancelling, spatial sound, sans feel, and this is like different. It's another language, but this is wireless, true adaptive noise cancelling, and spatial sound. Wow, this is perfect if you are a gamer or you know like to listen to music and use this most of the time. And the next one here is the pouch, of course. And, oh wow, it's heavy, but not so heavy compared to my old one. This is heavier and much solid. The reason why, guys, I bought a new one for this because of this. And this is made of synthetic skin. And compared to that, this is much solid because this is made of soft cloth, I think. And the color is so nice and it's so heavy. Oops. And it's adjustable. So let's try it in my head. Oh, this is much bigger. But if you adjust it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 6 or 7 maximum adjustment. And let's try it with this and maybe a little bit of I like it, and it's really perfectly blending with my skin color and of course my yellow top. The color is beige, or let us say apricot. Nice. So this is it, guys. I'll see. Oh, this is wireless, and sometimes you can use it also into, you know, sound card if you are a gamer. If you're using sound card, so you're gonna need this kind of port. And if you want to use it without wire, then you don't need it. But if you want it with wire, then you're gonna need this one. But this is wireless. So nice. Here is the power button, the volume up and down, and this is the Bluetooth power, and this is if you want it with wireless or with cord. So to find out if it is connected to your Bluetooth, it is having a light here, and the sound, guys, is really nice. This is the volume, the play button in the middle, volume up, volume down, and here is to on and off this wireless headphone. So we're gonna test this one and find out if the sound is much better than this. I'm expecting, of course, that this is much better with the price and everything. So this is all what's inside the box, and it comes with a pouch. So nice. I like it. It's loud. I'm only halfway. I like it, the sound. Now I can listen to music alone without any disturbance to people around me. So, battery charging up to, you have to charge it maximum 3 hours from empty. Kung ano siya, kung battery empty, i-charge mo siya, ma-full battery siya in 3 hours. And music playtime with Bluetooth on and ANC off, which it is up to 65 hours. And music playtime with Bluetooth on and adaptive noise cancelling on is up to 50 hours. But if you are talking with it, talking time with noise cancelling on is up to 28 hours. Ah, grabe, kaya naman palang mahal.
Ang pangarap ko para sa lahat. Sana all.
Ganda! 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 As in, I thought he's just joking when he told me it's up to 3 hours. It's more than 3 hours. It's up to 28 hours. 30 hours actually. As in, I like this. Because this one, how long? It's more than, I think it's the playtime on is 2 hours, I think, or yeah. So what I do, if I'm watching, I use this one first, one side, and then once it's not empty but it's giving me a signal that the battery is low battery, then I change it to this. But you can, if you want to hear, of course, Paul, this is also really nice, good sound. But the quality of this, it has also noise cancelling. It's the same with this, but this is, it has noise cancelling but not adaptive. I like it so much. I asked him, I want shoes. Don't want to buy any shoes.
Nothing else.
He bought me this, but you know, shoes will come in summer, I'm sure I will do. So, this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy watching, and I'm gonna enjoy this one. Bye!